Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make a contact us page on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now for this, we're going to be creating a new page. So let's go into pages and click add new page. And now it's going to take us into the editor, and this is exactly where we want to be. Now you can add a contact template such as this, which I do recommend. It is very well made. So just click that, and now as you can see, you have a contact form already made for you. However, you don't really need to use this. You can use whatever you want. You can literally delete whatever you want, edit it however you want as well. It's completely up to you, but I'll just go ahead and delete everything. And now if we want to make it from a blank page, what we need to do is just write the title, which is going to be contact us. And we're going to go ahead and here where we choose a block, we can click on the plus over here. We can click on the plus over here, or we can write / and just get contact. And as you can see, contact form is one of the first options that pops up. Just click on that. And now, as you can see, it automatically generates you a contact form with the name, email, and message, which you're going to be sending them. And that is basically all you need to do. Once you're done with this, you need to publish your page. So go ahead in the top right, click publish again. And after a few seconds, your page will be ready. And now we have a contact page on our website. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.